3 tips to draw your OC. Number 1, focus on showing their personality. When you're going to start drawing, always focus on how they are looking and what do you want to pass through their image. They are very angry, they are very outgoing, extremely shy, all those things. Number 2, accessories and colors can be used to tell a lot. And by a lot, I mean that. Whenever you're adding a piece of cloth or trying to choose the colors, going to change everything in your artwork. If it's a monster, try doing spikes. If it's a more gentle character, try doing accessories that are more soft, colors that are more soft. Number 3, make shadows and light in your favor to show how creepy or how cute your character is. If it's a very creepy character, make a lot of contrast and dark tones. And if it's a cute character, light and bright tones. Oh, and this month on November, on day 26, I will be hosting a free workshop on how to draw your characters. The theme is going to be Dungeons and Dragons. Join us by clicking the link somewhere here.